I hope you are doing well. This is Yamin and welcome to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can make a table like this in HTML. So a table has a header and then a table row, and inside the row these are called table data. So I'll show you how you can make it. So let's get started. So first of all, in order to make a table, the tag you need to use first is table. This is table opening and this is table closing, and then you need to add table header. So for table header just write th and th closing. Inside this th let's say name. Let's copy it and paste it 3 times. The second one will be age, the third one will be address, and the fourth one will be, let's say, salary. Let's save it. Let's go and refresh. Okay, this is how it looks right now. So we need to add some table data over here. So let's go inside, and for table data we need to use tr tag. It means table row closing, and inside it we need to give some table data. So for table data, let's say we have to set td opening and td closing. Now the first one is name, so let's say name Yamin. Let's copy it and paste it 3 times. The second one is age, so let's say age is 25. The address, let's say USA, and the salary, let's say $1,000. Let's save it. Now let's again refresh. Okay, as you can see, name, age, address, and salary. So let's add some more row in the table. Control C, and I'm going to paste it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So let's just change a little bit. Let's say the second one is James, the third one is let's say Fahim, and the fourth one, let's say Spider-Man. Let's change the age as well and the salary. Okay, Canada, let's add it, and let's say over here Australia. Okay, let's save it and let's over here go and refresh. Okay, this is how it looks, but it doesn't look like a table because it doesn't have any border. So let's add border. So adding border, you just need to say over here border equal on px. Let's save it. Let's refresh. Okay, now our table has a border. You can increase the length of border like this. You can say 10px. Let's save it. Let's see how it looks. Let's refresh. Okay, that's how it looks. Now let's take our table in the middle because it looks good that way. So for taking our table in the middle, you just need to say center over here and add a center at the end of table. Center closing. Okay, let's save it. Let's refresh. Okay, this is how it looks right now. I hope you learn how to make table in HTML. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching this video.